Hi, welcome back to the Amoretti kitchen. Today I'm going to make some chocolate raspberry crinkle cookies using Amoretti's raspberry compound and our Madagascar bourbon vanilla. All right, so let's get mixing with these cookies. I'm going to put the sugar in. Got some cocoa and some grapeseed oil. And I want to add Amoretti raspberry compound and the vanilla. Okay, I'm going to add the eggs one at a time. Give the bowl a scrape before I add the flour. This is a really simple recipe. These cookies are so nice. They're so pretty when they're finished. I love the raspberry and chocolate combination. Okay, we can add the flour. Okay, that's it. All we have to do now is chill it for about 4 hours before we make the cookies. We'll be back. All right, so this dough has been chilling. I'm going to take a piece of it. I have gloves on because it is very sticky dough. Just roll it in your hands. And then you can roll it in the sugar. Okay, and I have some raspberries here that are frozen. So I'm going to take a few pieces and just push them down. So you can bake these at 350 for 12 minutes. So here are these cute cookies. As you can see, they're super adorable. They're so easy to make and they're really chewy and delicious. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to our channel and our newsletter and follow us, reach out to us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter at Amoretti. See you next time.